Hello students, in this video let's learn our next lesson, self-reliance. What's the meaning of self-reliance? The ability to do things by yourself. That's the meaning of self-reliance. Okay, when you don't want others' help, when you are able to do things by yourself, that is called self-reliance. So let's move to the lesson now. That morning, I had lost all hopes of my future. I went out and sat under a tree in a field in a dejected mood. Okay, so here the author is saying that one morning he lost all hope of his future. Okay, so that means he don't have belief at all about his future. So like that, in a dejected mood, that means in a sad mood, he went out and he sat under a tree in a field. Okay. To divert myself, I began to watch a kid riding a bicycle at a distance. He must be practicing, I thought. Then, when I looked away for a moment, I heard a scream. I did not know what had happened, but the kid had fallen into a ditch and he was screaming. The boy's bicycle was also in a bad shape. So the author, he went out and he sat under a tree, and there he was watching a kid. Kid means a small child riding a bicycle. Okay, so he want to divert his mind. Divert means to bring our concentration to something else. So that is called diverting. So he was looking at a kid riding a bicycle, and that boy was practicing. Okay, so small children, they used to do, so he was just practicing, and all of the sudden this boy have fell down. Okay, so the author, he heard the scream of the kid and he rushed there. Okay, so he saw the boy was fallen into a ditch. Ditch means a long narrow channel cut into the ground. Okay, so where we have the waste water and all, that is called ditch. Okay, a channel in the ground for the water to go, that's a ditch. So this boy have fallen down there, and his cycle was in a bad shape, that is, it's full of damage. Okay, so the author have seen this. I went to help him. No thanks, the kid replied. I can help myself. He seemed to be a self-reliant child. He did not want others to show mercy on him. So the author, he went near to the child to help. Okay, so the boy said no thanks. Okay, he don't want any help from others. So he said no thanks, and I can help myself. The boy replied like that. Okay, so the author, he got an idea that this boy was a self-reliant child. That means who can help himself. He don't want help from others. Okay, he did not want others to show mercy on him. Okay, the author understood that he don't want, that boy don't want others to show mercy. Okay, he picked up the broken bicycle and limped back to his house. So the boy, what he did, he took the broken bicycle. Okay, he went and fallen into the ditch, so by that the bicycle was damaged. So he took the bicycle and he limped. Limped means walking with some difficulty. Okay, he got hurt. That's why he was walking with difficulty. So with that, he went back to his house. If this child can do this, you can also be a self-reliant person, can't you? I actually heard someone whisper this in my mind. So now after seeing this, a voice from his mind, for the author, it is said, okay, if the child can be self-reliant like this, why can't you? Okay, so this question is given from the mind of the author. Grace seemed to have descended on me. I felt a strong urge to deal with my problems, my depressions, and my negative thoughts. So, after getting that question, so grace seemed to have descended on me. Okay, so that means the mercy of God. Grace means the mercy of God had descended, means had fallen from top to bottom. That's called descending, right? So descended on me means it's fallen on him, so that he felt some strong feel, okay, to deal with my problems, whatever problem he had already. So he want to deal every problem by himself. Okay, whatever depression, negative thoughts, everything he want to deal by himself. I went home and picked up a book to read. It was Thus Spake Swami Vivekananda. On the page I opened, these lines appeared. Once, when a disciple pleaded his helplessness with Swami Vivekananda, Swamiji thundered, "What nonsense are you talking? Within you lies indomitable power. Only thinking I am nothing, you have become powerless." So the author, he went to home. Okay, he went home after this incident. He went home and there he picked up a book. Okay, it was Thus Spake Swami Vivekananda. Spake means it's a past tense of speak. Okay, it's a old form of word. Okay, so that book he took and he randomly opened the pages. So in that he saw a line. Okay, what is that means? Once, when a disciple pleaded his helplessness with Swami Vivekananda. Okay, so disciple means a follower. One of the follower he pleaded to. Pleaded means very with feeling. Okay, so with that he asked. So after hearing that, Swami Vivekananda thundered, means in a forceful voice he said, "What nonsense are you talking?" Okay, so he was Swami Vivekananda did not agree with the disciple. He said, "All power, it's with you." Okay, indomitable means very strong. Okay, a very strong power is inside you. Okay, when you say I am nothing, then only you are becoming powerless man. Okay, like that Swami Vivekananda said very forcefully to the disciple. It is just escapism to say I am so miserable. Every man has his burden to bear. So what he also said, it's just escapism means not facing the reality, just to want to run away from the reality, from the problems. Okay, just in order to escape from the problem, you are saying I am so miserable. Miserable means unhappy, sad. Okay, so in order to escape from problems, you are telling like that every man has his own burden. Okay, all are having responsibilities to bear. Okay, this bear meaning is to hold it. Okay, so not the bear. So it is to hold the burden. Okay, next paragraph. Swami Vivekananda did not suffer fools. Okay, so here suffer meaning is tolerate. Okay, he did not tolerate the fools. Okay, those who escape simply by telling that and all, Vivekananda does not accept. If you are miserable, try to conquer your misery and try to be calm. Stand up, be bold, be strong. Do not be a weakling. Take all your responsibility on your shoulders and know that you are the creator of your own destiny. So what he is telling, if you are really miserable, then conquer your misery. Okay, if you are really sad, you have to defeat the sadness, and you have to be strong, you have to be calm, be bold. Okay, don't be a weak person. You have to take up all responsibilities in your shoulders. Okay, so he is asking to take up all responsibilities and be the creator of your own destiny. Destiny means fate. Okay, so everything is in your hands, so you have to change the misery. It is a big error to feel helpless. All the strength and success you want is within you. Okay, error means mistake. It's a big mistake to feel helpless. Every strength is with you only. So your success in your hand. If you cannot help ourselves, if we cannot help ourselves, there is none to help us. To think that there is someone is sweet delusion. This is the greatest lesson you should learn. So here, what he also adds here, if we can't help ourselves, we have to help ourselves. None is there to help us, and we have to think it's a sweet delusion. Delusion means it's not there, but we feel like. Okay, this is the greatest lesson to learn. None else can help you, friend. Get a hold on yourself. Then stand up. Don't be afraid. In the midst of all miseries and all weakness, let the self come out, faint and imperceptible, though it be the first. Here what he says, so you have to hold on yourself. That means you have to help yourself. You have to stand up. Don't be afraid. You have so much of miseries and problems, weakness. So what you have to do? You have to come out. Okay, come out. Faint and imperceptible. Okay, that means slightly, gradually you have to come out of all these miseries, and you have to believe in yourself. You have to help yourself. Though it is a small change that you have to bring first. Okay, that's a meaning. So there ends this lesson. So you read the lesson. Here are the glossaries. So these words you have to memorize. That's all for this video. Thank you, children.